Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to the last and the final segment of today's Ikra with Ikra. And today I've got Abiha with me. It's her turn, her 4 minutes. Abiha, are you there?
Yeah.
Let's do this. The fourth line. نعبد وإياك نستعين قل هو.
Okay.
Second line on the screen.
The noon has a fatha on it, so it's short sound. The ain has a sukoon on it, so it will be joined with noon. Ba has a dhamma on it, short sound. Dal has a dhamma on it, short sound. Waw has a fatha on it, short sound. Alif has a zer underneath it, and short sound. Ya has a fatha on it, short sound, and ya has a tasdeed on it, so it will be joined with alif. And qaf has a fatha on it, short sound. Seen, noon has a fatha on it, short sound. Seen has a jazm on it, so it will be joined with noon. Ta has a fatha on it, short sound. There's ya mudda because the letter before the ya it has a qasr underneath it. And then noon has a dhamma on it, short sound.
Okay.
The lam has a sukoon on it, so it will be joined with qaf. And qaf is full math because of the quality of the stala. The ha has a dhamma on it, so it will be short sound. Waw has a fatha on it, short sound.
قل هو, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what about Allah, the next line? قل هو الله أحد, isn't it? Allahu Ahad.
Yeah.
So what can you tell me about the name of Allah?
The name of Allah is going to be heavy math because the letter before it has a fatha on it.
Excellent, excellent. What about Ahad?
Alif has a fatha on it, short sound. Ha has a fatha on it, short sound. And Dal has the noon dhamma, so it has a noon sound.
Okay, carry on.
The alif has a qasr underneath it, short sound. Noon has a fatha on it, a short sound. And noon has a tasdeed on it, so it will be joined with alif.
And also, ghunna. Inna, ghunna. Whenever there is tashdid on the noon or the meme, we always make ghunna. Inna. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meme has a fatha on it, short sound. Ain has a fatha on it, short sound. The lam has a sukoon on it, so it will be joined with the ain. The ain is going to be huruf qamri because the alif lam will be red. The sin has jazm on it, so it will be joined with the ain. The ra has a zer underneath it, so it will qasr underneath it, so it will be empty mouth and short sound. The ya has a dhamma on it, short sound. The sin has a jazm on it, so it will be joined with ya. Ra has the noon fatha on it.
Yusra. Inna ma'al usri. So al usri, the ayn is going to be sun letter, moon letter. Al usri.
Moon.
Because lam is heard, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. That was excellent. Abiha, Hussein, and Harshid, you all read very well, and I hope to hear from you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Allah Hafiz. Very good. Next call, Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa salam. Who's that?
Jasmine.
Jasmine, how are you doing?
Good.
Okay, your sabak is where, Jasmine?
Page 21.
21. Is that how far you came?
Yeah.
Okay, 21 is about Uleen, isn't it? Okay, let's have it on the screen.
Ow, bow, pow, bow, jow, how, ho, do, zo, ro, zo, so, show, so, zo, zo, o, ro, so, go, low, mo, no, wo, ho, yo.
Okay, now what can you tell me about these? What's the rule in lesson 5 in all of these that you just read on the screen?
The lean letters.
Which one is the lean letter?
Wow.
Why? What tells you that it is a lean letter?
Wow, sucking before is zubber.
Yes. When waw sakin and before when it has a fatha, a zabar, fatha, I want you to remember the Arabic term fatha, yeah? So that that is a waw lean. Do you know what I mean? So all of them, there's a waw lean, yeah, in every box.
Yeah.
Because every box has waw sakin and a fatha before it, innit?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the words.
Wow.
Look at it carefully.
Alpha.
Aw,
Fa.
is it fa?
Alfi.
Aw fi. And next one?
Howla.
Okay, now in aw fi and hawla, tell me the rules.
That wow has a sakin and before it is a zabar.
Fatha.
Fatha.
Zabar, fatha. As you can say zabar, I want you to remember the Arabic word as well, fatha. So that makes that waw what? In awfi and hawla, the waw is waw?
Wowleen.
Wawleen. Okay, next two words.
Somu.
Yeah, and?
Sofa.
Sofa. So somu and sofa, what can you see? Are there, the waw in those two words are what?
There's a sakin. And before it is a fatha.
So the waw is what?
Is wowleen.
Wawleen. Sawmu, Sofa, Wawleen. Okay, both of them have Wawleen, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sawmu, Sofa, they both have Wawleen. Waw sakin fatha before it, waw sakin fatha. Any other rule? In Sawmu or Sofa, can you see any other rule? Okay, what we're going to do, Jasmine, your time's up. We're going to do the second line in page 21 tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much, Jasmine, for calling.
Okay.
Let's go to our next call. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalam. Hey, Wahi.
Yeah,
How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Very good indeed. How's your thing going? Your memorization?
I've just finished Surah Mu'min.
Surah Mu'min.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let me. Surah Mu'min is in which separa? Remind me.
24.
Yeah, man. 24. We're getting there now. 24. We're doing this. Okay. So let me take it out. So are we going to start from the beginning?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what we're going to do, we won't be able to finish all of it, yeah?
Okay.
But we'll do as much as we can.
Okay.
Because, you know, I'm giving everyone 4 minutes.
Okay.
When you're ready.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم حميم تنزيل الكتاب من الله العزيز العليم غافر الذنب وقابل قابل التوب شديد العقاب ذي الطول لا إله إلا هو إليه المصير ما يجادل في آيات الله إلا الذين كفروا فلا يغررك تقلبهم في البلاد كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح والأحزاب من بعدهم وهمت كل أمة برسولهم ليأخذوه وجادلوا بالباطل ليدحدوا به الحق فأخذتهم فكيف كان عقاب وكذلك حقت كلمة ربك على الذين كفروا أنهم أصحاب النار الذين يحملون العرش ومن حوله يسبحون بحمد ربهم ويؤمنون به ويستغفرون للذين آمنوا ربنا وسعت كل شيء رحمة وعلما فاغفر للذين تابوا واتبعوا سبيلك وقهم عذاب الجحيم ربنا وأدخلهم جنات عدن التي وعدتهم ومن صلح من آبائهم وأزواجهم وذرياتهم إنك أنت العزيز الحكيم وقهم السيئات ومن تق السيئات يومئذ فقد رحمته وذلك هو الفوز العظيم إن الذين كفروا ينادون لمقت الله أكبر من مقتكم أنفسكم إذ تدعون إلى الإيمان فتكفرون قالوا ربنا أمتنا اثنتين وأحييتنا اثنتين فاعترفنا بذنوبنا فهل إلى خروج من سبيل ذلكم بأنه إذا دعي الله وحده كفرتم وإن يشرك به تؤمنوا فالحكم لله العلي الكبير هو الذي يريكم آياته وينزل لكم من السماء رزقا وما يتذكر إلا من ينيب فادعوا الله مخلصين له الدين ولو كره الكافرون رفيع الدرجات ذو الأرش يلقي الروح من أمره على من يشاء من عباده لينذر يوم التلاق يوم هم بارزون لا يخفى على الله منهم شيء لمن الملك اليوم لله الواحد القهار اليوم تجزى كل نفس بما كسبت لا ظلم اليوم إن الله سريع الحساب وأنذرهم يوم الآزفة إذ القلوب لدى الحناجر كاظمين ما للظالمين من حميم ولا شفيع يطاع يعلم خائنة الأعين وما تخفي الصدور والله يقضي بالحق والذين يدعون من دونه لا يقضون بشيء إن الله هو السميع البصير.
Lovely. What we're going to do, Wahi, 21 and onwards tomorrow.
Okay.
You're doing very well, mashallah. Keep it up. Make sure you call me, yeah?
Yeah.
From next week, Iqra with Iqra is, everything's changing about it. So keep watching. You're going to love it.
Okay.
Okay, Wahi, take care, my friend.
Allah Hafiz.
Very good, mashallah. He's memorized all of, Surah Mu'min, inshallah. But I think for the Huffaz, I need to give them more time. I believe that is something I will consider, and I will think about it, ponder over it for next week. Those who memorize, like Wahi and others, especially Wahi, I think I need to give him double the time because of the memorization. Okay, next call. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Fahim.
Yeah.
How are you doing, Fahim?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good. Where are you going to read from?
Ayah 77.
70? 77. Okay, how comes you don't memorize? I need you to start memorizing Ajza and Sipare. I need you to think about that.
All right.
Okay, 77 when you're ready. أَوَلَا يَعْلَمُونَ أَنَّ اللَّهَ
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
أولا يعلمون
أولا يعلمون أن الله يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون ومنهم أميون لا يعلمون الكتاب
إلا أمانية
إلا أماني وإن هم إلا يظنون فويل للذين يكتبون الكتاب بأيديهم ثم يقولون هذا من عند الله ليشتروا به ثمنا قليلا فويل لهم مما كتبت أيديهم وويل لهم مما يكسبون وقالوا لن تمسنا النار إلا أياما معدودة قل أتخذتم عند الله عهدا فلن يخلف الله عهده أم تقولون على الله ما لا تعلمون بلى من كسب سيئة وأحاطت به خطيئته فأولئك أصحاب النار
هم فيها
خالدون والذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون وإذ أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل لا تعبدون إلا الله وبالوالدين إحسانا وذي القربى واليتامى والمساكين وقولوا للناس حسنا وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة ثم توليتم إلا قليلا منكم وأنتم معرضون وإذ أخذنا ميثاقكم لا تسفكون دماءكم ولا تخرجون أنفسكم من دياركم ثم أقررتم وأنتم تشهدون ثم أنتم هؤلاء تقتلون أنفسهم وتخرجون فريق منكم من ديارهم تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتكم أسارى تفادوهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك
منكم إلا خزي
في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعملون أولئك الذين اشتروا الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة فلا يخفف عنهم العذاب ولا هم ينصرون.
Okay, let's stop there. Thank you so much. You read very well, Fahim. Listen, I want you to start memorizing.
Okay.
How much Quran do you know off by heart?
I know, I think like half of Sparrowood.
Half of?
Sparrowood.
Half of?
Sparrowood.
Okay, you in the first Sipara?
Yeah.
Okay, so whatever you know, from next week, I want you to remember what you read up to verse number 86, yeah? So it's going to be 87, but I want some memorization as well.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Take care, Fahim. Next caller, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Anasullah.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Good Abdullah, Ustad.
I'm good. You're going to read from?
Can I memorize? Can I see my memorization?
Huh?
Can I see my memorization?
Memorization?
Yeah, can I say?
Yeah, from where?
Can I say Surah Shams?
Surah Shams, go on.
Yeah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والشمس وضحاها والقمر إذا تلاها والنهار إذا جلاها والليل إذا يغشاها والسماء وما بناها والأرض وما طحاها ونفس وما سواها فألهمها فجورها وتقواها قد أفلح من زكاها وقد خاب من دساها كذبت ثمود بتقواها
No, don't make قلقل on the ghain. بتغواها.
بتقواها إذ انبعث أشقاها فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها فكذبوه فعقروها فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها ولا يخاف عقباها.
Okay, brilliant. Anything else have you memorized?
That's it.
Okay. What have you memorized so far? What do you know? The last sipara?
I've said that I know the Amhara.
You know the last sipara, yeah?
Yeah.
The Juz' Amma. What else do you know?
I know a bit of Alif Lam Mim.
Okay. So I want you to start, that's all you know?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to start memorizing.
Okay.
So from the first sipara, from next week or from tomorrow, I want you to start reading off by heart. So practice for tomorrow.
Okay.
Off by heart, yeah? Look at Wahi from Brighton. Have you heard Wahi?
No.
Okay, you should listen to Wahi from Brighton. He's on the 24, he's memorized 30th, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. He's on the 24th now.
Okay.
Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
He's memorized 7 siparas with me here, live, Iqra with Iqra. If you can do it, you can do it. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, take care, Anas.
Assalamualaikum.
Next call, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam.
Ji, Miss Jamila Khanum.
Jina Begum Khanum.
Begum Khanum. Balasun, Mrs. Begum.
Naraba de Madamo Rizaram Kiato. Naraba Mata.
Na, Allah afnar Shibadi, inshallah.
Sabotamari Naraba.
Oh. Mata mani a problem taki.
Dina, the Manchako Zadu, the Bachuna, Kitahoitam Ketorti. Then Kitahondene.
Jadu.
Oh, yes.
Oh.
That's a line no Atoma, nothing but Islam get the sort of Amar, Italagi. Okano, Amatuzan, Lano, Thomas for Tatina than the binder body.
Aha.
We can navigate for sea.
Okay, so Afnar, inshallah, I'll call for it. I'm a lawyer complete to our for it. Afnar contact number ono diba. Afnar phone number ono diba caller de. Mane ze call answer hor than gese diba Afnar phone number. ठीक है से?
आपने जानो नहीं कुछ?
But Afnar phone number diba na?
Yeah.
Okay. तो आपने hold तक बा.
एक तरह था तो मेरे वहाँ दामी दिले जाने दुआ कर मुन दिन दाइट नो मास्टर बोलता पुरिया मोरता मोहन ताल लगे खानती दिन दाइट.
वाह इंशाल्लाह. तो सबक for inshallah to call अपना phone number ono diba, okay?
Yeah. Ar-Rahman ta बोलता हम
Surah Rahman ठीक है से okay. Please take her number after she finishes. इनका number Imran, please take her number from her. Okay, जी Surah Rahman.
Yeah.
Okay, Surah Rahman.
Yeah.
Can we have it please on the screen?
Allah namta namasta boja mortam to ba namasta boti je khot to kodi boti adat ada kodi matal lagi fatin
ji
A'udzu billahi minas syaitonir rajim Bismillahir rahmanir rahim Ar-Rahman 'allamal Qur'an khalaqal insan Allamahul bayan As-samsu wal qamaru bihusban Wan najmu sajaru yasjudan Was-samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'al mizan Allah tatghaw fil mizan Wa aqimul wazna bil qisti wa la tukhsirul mizan Wal arda wada'aha lil anam فيها فاكهة والنخل ذات الأكمام والحب ذو العصف والريحان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان خلق الإنسان من صلصال كالفخار وخلق الجنة من مارج من نار فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان رب المشرقين ورب المغربين فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان مرج البحرين يلتقيان بينهما برزخ لا يبغيان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان
जी
أرأيت نبا
next
يخرج منهما اللؤلؤ والمرجان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان وله الجوار المنشآت في البحر كالأعلام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان كل من عليها فان ويبقى وجه ربك ذو الجلال والإكرام فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يسأله من في السماوات والأرض كل يوم هو في شان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان سنفرغ لكم أيها الثقلان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يا معشر الجن والإنس إن استطعتم أن تنفذوا من أقطار السماوات والأرض فانفذوا لا تنفذون إلا بسلطان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان يرسل عليكما شواظ من نار ونحاس فلا تنتصران فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فإذا انشقت السماء فكانت وردة كالدهان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان فيومئذ لا يسأل عن ذنبه إنس ولا جان فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
Jazakallah, thank you Mrs. Begum. I just can take hold of تخبى إن شاء الله और अपना number दिवा take a number إن شاء الله. ठीक है, so hold of تخبى, just take a number. Thank you so much everyone for calling in today in Iqra with Iqra. Tomorrow we will be back. I will be back. So do call then inshallah, and we will do more reading and more reciting and more understanding. All the best. Have a good evening. Assalamu alaikum.